how to put a link in your TikTok bio. So if you want to put a link in your TikTok bio, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right, and tap on edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have link option. Tap on links and you can simply add a website link or Instagram link or YouTube link. So just simply tap on add, tap on get started. Make sure that you have a business account, because if you don't have a business account, then you won't be able to add your website link. But if you want to add an Instagram link or a YouTube link, then you can simply tap on Instagram and it will take you to the Instagram login page where you need to log into your Instagram, or you just need to simply tap on YouTube link, go with add, which is on the YouTube, and choose the Google account that you would like to add, and here you need to tap on continue, and that's it. Your YouTube link has been added. Now if you go back, then here on the profile you will have your YouTube link. So that's how you can put a link in your TikTok bio, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.